Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's harsh reality we're going to see about the China and its influence over the Asian countries and how it is planning to attack India, and it has already started its mission in Ladakh, and you will see those information shortly. So if you guys see these maps and the markings, so these are the countries which has already the China has invested in their economic development and the infrastructure. However, there is this one country like Pakistan. They almost own 19 billion, which is one fifth of their total debt to China. But currently, they are unable to repay, and they are helping China in all the ways. And the next country is the Sri Lanka, where China has built this port for creation of job opportunities and economic development. However, it is unused, and even this country is going in debt against China. So the next country is the Saudi Arabia, the kings of roads which are built by the China. And in addition, China has its military base in Africa. So 2 days back, so this YouTuber Sonam Wangchuk has released a video about what's happening in Ladakh. So if you guys see this video, the Indian military has confirmed that it has strengthened its force in the areas of Ladakh. And you guys will also see that how the China is building their tents in last 10 days. They have started in May 5, and within 2 weeks they have almost built hundreds of tents. This is a serious thing. We all have to think what's happening to our country and what the China is planning to do to our country. We are already suffering. The whole world is suffering from the health crisis, this COVID pandemic. But when we are suffering from this health crisis, is China planning for a war against our India? So what's happening? So what can we do with this? So it's never too late to start something. So what can we do? So you guys saw how China has planned its investments around the countries of India, and now it is planning to attack India. So as I said before in the video of Sonam Wangchuk, he has suggested to remove all the Chinese software and not to use their products for at least 10 years. So watch this video to understand better.
But actually fact it.
Mr. Sonam Wangchuk explained this in his video. We have to remove Chinese software from our phone within a week and Chinese hardware from our lives in a year.
Right now, आपके रूम में 8 out of 10 चीजें मेड इन चाइना होंगी। तो क्या इसका मतलब ये है कि ये सारी चीजें फेक देनी है? बिल्कुल नहीं। ये काफी अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन। लेकिन फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन कोई नई चीज लेते वक्त हम ये जरूर देख सकते हैं कि क्या कोई अलग अल्टरनेटिव अवेलेबल है। अगर हम धीरे धीरे ऐसा करने लगे तो नेक्स्ट ईयर 5 out of 10 चीजें मेड इन चाइना होंगी। उसके अगले साल और कम, फिर और कम, एंड देन सिर्फ कुछ ही एसेंशियल चीजें होंगी जिनके लिए हम चाइना को पे करेंगे। We keep thinking that it is too late, we are already too dependent on China, and that is true. We are late. But in countries की तरह we are not in China's trap, not yet. You see, in this COVID-19 situation, our government realized how dangerous China could be, और उन्होंने FDI यानी Foreign Direct Investment को मॉनिटर करना स्टार्ट किया, so that कोई भी इंडियन कंपनी इस क्राइसिस सिचुएशन में चाइना की पपेट ना बने। इतना सब होने के बाद भी, ये सब जानने के बाद भी, अगर हम दिवाली में एक दिया जलाने के बजाय चाइना से आने वाले लाइट्स लगाएंगे, तो इस रोशनी से कौन सा अंधेरा दूर होने वाला है? You see, timing is everything, and this is the time to learn the truth about China. अगर 1% लोग भी जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं वो इस बात को समझ पाए, आई थिंक ये वीडियो सक्सेसफुल है। इट इज द टाइम फॉर अस कॉमन पीपल टू मेक सम अनकॉमन चॉइसेस, क्योंकि कभी कभी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए थोड़ी चीनी कम करना जरूरी है।
So it's never too late to start something new. Anyways, Chinese products will not last more than 6 to 1 year, and rather spending little amount for too much of time, better spend on quality products. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.